Hi babies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel. If you're new here, I do fashion, beauty and lifestyle content. If that's the type of content you're interested in watching, please continue to watch and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Now, as you read by the title down below, your girl is back with a long awaited video. Yes, a huge Shein try on haul, and I have to say I personally love all the items I got. I haven't tried them on yet, but we're gonna be rating them on a scale of 1 to 10, both of us. So let's get started. Okay baby, so starting off we have this pink phone case. It does have a little bit of glitter on it. I don't know if you guys are seeing that on the camera, but it's absolutely beautiful, and it's very sturdy, very thick. It's very nice. The charging port of this phone case is shaped like a heart. I forgot to show you guys that part, but it's so nice, so thick. It makes the phone feel very secured. The next item are these gold earrings. I looked at them and I was like, these are definitely going in my cart because they're just different. Just the texture, the structure, the way how the design of the earrings will definitely elevate any outfit. And when I put it on, girl, the gold against dark skin, chef's kiss. You need these. Okay baby, so these are another pair of gold earrings. I normally don't usually go for square shaped earrings because I feel they don't do anything for the structure of my face, but these ones, girl, I'm telling you, these will take you to the next level. When I put these on, I felt like Marilyn Monroe. Yeah girl. Now these earrings were absolutely my fave. I am a hoop girl. I love small hoop earrings, and these just look so cute and could wear on a daily basis. I love these earrings. Listen, a moment of silence for this gorgeous metallic orange bag here. Listen, girl, I was absolutely stunned by how this bag came, how it looked when I paired it with my outfit, because I have worn this bag before. But girl, I'm telling you, when you say a statement piece, this is what you're talking about. This bag stands out. This bag elevates any outfit. This bag shines, girl. If you don't already have this bag, honey, the link is in my bio, okay? The link is in the description. Okay, baby, so for the girls like me that are not as confident to walk in high heels, this is for you, okay? This gives you the perfect look. You could pair this with jeans, you could pair this with a long skirt, dress, whatever, babes. And I'm telling you that this will definitely look very elegant. Girl, this heel took my outfit up from a 10 to a 20. When I paired it with jeans, and I'm telling you that, yeah. And when you talk about comfort, this is what you want. Very comfortable, a kitten heel, very classy, very cute, and it still gives a little bit of edge with that pointed toe. Summer is coming up, and of course, girls, we have to add a pop of color with our outfit. This could be paired with white, black, orange, red, girl, whatever. And I know that this will definitely look good because it was absolutely beautiful. The burgundy, so rich, and I'm telling you, girl, when it comes to comfort, this is it. I could wear these slippers all day and my foot won't hurt because the soles were so comfortable, soft, and just light on the foot. Now this shoe is the same as the burgundy kitten heel that I just showed you, but girl, it's in black. Like, if you get it in red, you have to get it in black too. You have to have both colors. Come on now. And of course, I haven't worn these yet, but girl, you have many things that you could style this with. And some of the outfits that I show you, I would definitely pair this heel with. So yeah, I'm so excited to wear this. It's so beautiful. I love. Now honeys, this boot is a must-have. I think I've explained before that sometimes boots don't fit my calves very good, so they hurt, but this one, honey, it doesn't go too much up on the calf, so it's perfect. And I love that the toe of the boot is very pointy, so it gives that, you know, structured, edgy look. I love the type of black the shoe is. I love the detailing of, you know, that little part at the front. I love that the heel is not too high. Girl, this boot is just perfect in many ways, and it's definitely my go-to boot now. So the first clothing item is this orange and white striped dress. This is perfect for the summertime. The material is like medium thick, so just keep that in mind. So not for very hot days, I would not wear this, but it's still a very good dress for summertime. It's sleeveless, so it's perfect. It is also a very stretchy material, so I would suggest sizing down. I got this dress in a size large. I could have gotten a size medium, and yeah, it would be perfect, but nonetheless, I love it. Okay, so now these two clothing items are not a set. The top is different from the pants. They're two different materials, but I just decided to pair them together to show you guys. I love this top, but I feel like this top would definitely go better with a different pants, because the top, it has like a different like cut in the neck, and I feel like this top would benefit from just like some pants that would allow the top to shine. Honeys, let's get into the pants. The pants, girl, the pants is the moment. Like, I just love how structured that white part is right at the front. These pants were like, I didn't want to take them off. Like, I was doing this video and my man was watching me and he loved these pants too. Like, this pants was just so cute. I definitely would not wear this top with it, but they are both two items that I wanted to show you guys. Love the top on its own, love the pants on its own, but I would not wear them together. Now this is my outfit for Sunday brunch, because excuse me, what? Girl, you can't tell me that this doesn't look good. Like, I saw this top and I was like, I found a pants that this could go perfectly with. And girl, just look how the colors just, it's like they just blend right in together. Yeah, I love this. And I paired it with one of my bags that I haven't worn in like forever, and I absolutely loved how it looked. Now honeys, this outfit, oh my god, it's giving me streetwear, it's giving me classy, it's giving me you can wear sneakers, it's giving me you can put on a heel. Like, I can take this outfit up in so many levels, like, and that's what I'm like trying to get into, like elevated, like basics, things that you just, you know, If you put this on, it pops it up a little bit. If you put this on, it kind of tones it down a little bit. That's like my new style, and I absolutely love this outfit. Like, I don't even have the words, like chef's kiss. Once I put that glasses on, you couldn't tell me nothing. Now I know I raved about that last outfit, but this outfit, girls, was my fave. It fit on my body perfectly. Like, I got this in a size large, I believe, and oh my god, if I have ever gotten it in any like other size, I would have hated it. But girl, this fits so snug. When I say perfect, I mean perfect to the T, honey, okay? And I just loved everything about it. I loved like the cut of the top. I love that the pants had the white trimming down the legs. I just loved everything. I love the flare on the arms of the top. Like, it just gives a very, classy, high value woman. Like, I love this. Definitely would pair this with a heel, honey, and take this up like 10 points. Definitely. Now let's talk about this outfit. So this top is like a knitted top, very, very, very cute. Like, I loved how it fit. I got this in a size large, I believe. It fit perfectly, like perfect to the T. Love the top. The jeans. Now with Shein, jeans are like a hit or miss, and for the most part, like, the jeans fit, but the top was a little bit big, so I think I would have to definitely get it tailored. But overall, I loved the outfit, just didn't like how the jeans fit. Now honeys, let's get into this elegant wear. Now this is like a corset that has two different materials. It has suede at the front, and it also has like a mesh sleeve and fur on the trimming of the sleeve. Now this corset, honey, like, I know you see it. I like, there's no words. There's no words to explain this top. I loved it. I loved everything about it. It was very easy to put on. Like, it didn't give me any problems, and it just looks stunning on me. Like, it's the first I've ever like tried a corset, and I'm telling you, like, yeah, it's like a 20 out of 10 for me. Now the skirt is this very, very long satin skirt. Fit me absolutely perfectly, and I decided to pair these together because, of course, if you're going on like a date night or somewhere that you have to wear like elegant wear, this is just perfect. Not too covered up, very much still covered, but not doing too much, and still very sexy and cute and classy, and that is my style. I love this, and yeah, this outfit was like a 20 out of 10. And for our last item, Hans, so this top is not included. I showed this top before, so I just tried it on to show you guys the pants, but the pants is the moment, okay? I would definitely wear a different top with it, of course, but to elevate it, I would, but this top would be perfect for just like a casual outing. But yeah, the pants, honey. Like, I just love these pants now. They don't do too much. They're very comfy. They still get very classy, but you could dress them down with like sneakers. I just love this pants. I loved how it fit. I didn't want to get it too big or too small. And I feel like I think I got a size 1X or a large. I'm not sure, but I'll put it in the description. But yeah, these pants were really cute, very comfortable, and you could dress it up or dress it down, and that's what I love. Okay, baby, so this wraps up our last outfit for this video. Please let me know down in the comments which outfit was your favorite, and I'll definitely see you girls in the next video.